Wouldn't it be nice if you had an AI army trading for you instead of you just staring at the charts all day, trying to figure out if the price is going to go up or down, having a little fear, a little uncertainty, maybe a little bit of doubt. So much FUD gets you flipping long and then short, following Twitter, all that good stuff. I've got an army here. You can see an army of AI that are back testing for me, seeing if strategies that I come up with, or better yet, the other AI comes up with, see if they work in the past. That's back testing. So it's just following my RBI system, research, backtest, and then implement. Research, backtest, and then implement. I'm going to use O3 here today. In order to be the final boss, I wanted to go through a bunch of my backtests that have been created already with DeepSeek. I'm using DeepSeek because yesterday we tested O3 in this agentic system, and guess what? DeepSeek was actually better. O3 is much faster though. So if it's a time thing,
You have to, in a business like this, just keep making things better, keep improving the system, because other parts of it are going to wear out after a while. People will catch on to this or they'll catch on to that. So you just have to, like in any business, you just have to make things better and better and better, because that's what everyone else is trying to do.
because that's what everybody else is trying to do. That was Jim Simons, rest in peace. He has taught us so much. We have studied him so much, and we will continue to study him every single day. The one thing he didn't have was access to this new AI, dude. Yes, he used machine learning, of course, but he said make things better and better and better. So I've been incrementally, piece by piece, step by step, making this RBI AI agent flow better and better and better. And when I say that, I really mean OpenAI, DeepSeek, Anthropic. They keep dropping new models on me, making my agentic system better and better and better. So I just had to build the system, I don't know, 18 months ago or so. And now these companies make it better and better and better. So I'm going to use O3 today in order to be the final boss. Okay, what do I even mean by that? Well, let me go ahead and grab some of the outputs that it has been creating. Okay, so you can see here, running down here is backtesting, researching, backtesting, and implementing. That's the system I follow as an algorithmic trader to keep me on path every single day. That's the system I follow. It's a process of automating your trading. It starts with research of trading strategies. Then you backtest to see if those strategies actually worked in the past. If they worked in the past, they're not guaranteed to work in the future, but they're much more likely. That's the RBI. So I build an AI agent system that just spits out new backtests, the full code, every single day. Like I said, I tested it with O3 yesterday, and DeepSeek actually does better, but that doesn't mean that it's necessarily a better or worse model. For this use case, it's better. Okay, so all I have to do here is run this code and say, hey, I want to use DeepSeek Reasoner for the backtest part, the actual coding part.